Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Compare Core, the spot where we break down the best tech so you don't waste your money. Today we're diving into the top 5 best iPads of 2025. And seriously, don't even think about buying one before watching this. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or just looking for the perfect daily driver, I've got you covered. I tested, compared, and ranked the top models Apple has to offer this year. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's jump right into number 1 on the list. Alright, kicking things off at number 1, we've got the iPad 10.9. And let me tell you, this one's a banger if you're looking for solid performance without blowing the bank. So yeah, it's not the most powerful iPad Apple's ever made, but it does everything most people need: browsing, streaming, notes, emails, light editing smoothly. And all that for a way lower price than the Pro models. Apple gave it a big glow up with the 2022 redesign. No more home button, thinner bezels, and that sleek, modern Pro-style look. Plus, it comes in fun colors like pink and yellow, which is a nice touch. Now, real talk, no support for Apple Pencil 2 is kind of a bummer. And it doesn't have those new AI features Apple's bringing to the M-series chips. But for everyday use, this thing kills it. And if you grab that keyboard case, you can actually get a decent amount of work done on it too. Bottom line, the iPad 10.9 is that everybody iPad, perfect for students, families, or anyone who just wants that Apple experience without going overboard. Coming in at number 2, we've got an absolute monster, the iPad Pro 13. And I'm not gonna lie, this thing is next level. If you're all about that big, beautiful display, this is the one. It's got Apple's brand new tandem OLED XDR tech, and it looks absolutely stunning. Blacks are deep, colors pop, and it's easily one of the best screens I've ever seen on a tablet, maybe even any device. Under the hood, we're talking the M4 chip, and that means MacBook level power. Compared to the M2, it's got 50% faster CPU performance and 20% better thermal efficiency. In testing, this thing never got hot, even when pushing it hard. And for all the creatives out there, it fully supports the new Apple Pencil Pro, and let me tell you, it feels amazing to draw or take notes on this display. The redesigned Magic Keyboard feels more like a laptop than ever before. Now yeah, this thing isn't cheap. You're looking at a 4-figure price tag, so it's really for power users, graphic designers, video editors, architects, digital artists, you get the idea. But if you're someone who wants the absolute best tablet Apple's ever made, whether it's for pro work or just because you love high-end tech, the iPad Pro 13 is it. Just know, it's definitely not your average Netflix and chill iPad. Alright, number 3 on the list is for my budget-savvy folks out there. It's the iPad 10.2. Now yeah, this one's been around for a minute, and Apple doesn't sell it directly anymore, but you can still find it at tons of major retailers, and the value it offers is actually kind of wild. It's not trying to be flashy, but it gets the job done. The 12MP ultra-wide front camera is surprisingly good for video calls, whether you're FaceTiming with family or hopping on Zoom for work. And the True Tone display is a really nice touch. It automatically adjusts the screen's color based on your lighting, which makes it super comfortable to use indoors and outside. Performance-wise, look, it's not going to hang with the Pro or even the newer Air, but it holds its own. Web browsing, streaming, light gaming, schoolwork. This thing handles it all without breaking a sweat. For the price, you're getting that smooth iPad experience without dropping a ton of cash. So if you're someone who just wants a reliable everyday tablet and doesn't need all the Pro features, the iPad 10.2 is still one of the best bangs for your buck in 2025. Plus, it's an awesome pick for kids, students, or honestly anyone just looking to get into the Apple ecosystem without spending big. Alright, coming in at number 4, we've got the iPad Air 11. And let me tell you, this one is a total sweet spot between price and performance. So yeah, Apple just dropped this updated Air, and while it looks familiar, under the hood, it's a whole new beast. We're talking an M3 chip, the same one running in a bunch of MacBooks right now. I threw everything I could at this thing during testing: video editing, multitasking, streaming, note-taking, and it didn't even flinch. The 11-inch display is sharp, fluid, and just the right size for portability. You also get landscape stereo speakers with spatial audio, which make it great for movies or music. And the new 10MP front camera? Finally in the right spot, perfect for FaceTime or Zoom in landscape mode. Battery life? Solid. I was getting around 10 hours of real-world use, and that's with multitasking. Plus, you can spec it up to 1 terabyte of storage, which is wild for an Air. Here's the kicker. It's way more affordable than the iPad Pro, starting at $599, but you still get support for the Apple Pencil Pro, Magic Keyboard, and even Apple Intelligence features, which are going to be a game changer moving forward. Bottom line, if you're a student, a creator, or just someone who wants a ton of power without going full pro, the iPad Air 11 is hands down the smartest pick for the price. And finally, number 5 on our list is the iPad mini, the compact king of Apple's tablet lineup. Now I get it, not everyone needs a massive screen or top-tier specs for editing 4K video. Sometimes you just want a sleek, lightweight tablet that's easy to carry, and that's exactly where the iPad mini shines. This thing is super portable. It fits in pretty much any bag or even a large jacket pocket. That makes it perfect for on-the-go reading, note-taking, or even for kids who want something a little more powerful than a toy tablet. It might be small, but don't let the size fool you. The A17 Pro chip inside is the same one powering the iPhone 15 Pro, so performance is fire. You can game, stream, multitask, browse, and it handles it all smooth as butter. Plus, just like the big boys, the Mini is Apple Intelligence compatible, so you're not missing out on any of the cool new AI features. Design-wise, it's pretty much identical to the last model, but that's not a bad thing. It's still sleek, modern, and feels premium in the hand. So yeah, if you're looking for a tablet that's compact, powerful, and future-proof, the iPad mini is a fantastic pick, especially for travelers, casual users, or even younger tech lovers.
All right, y'all, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best iPads of 2025. Whether you're a student, a creative pro, or just need a solid tablet for everyday use, there's definitely something on this list for you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Compare Core for more honest reviews, comparisons, and all things tech. We drop videos like this every week, so hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Also, I want to know which iPad is your favorite, or if you're planning to grab one this year. Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.